Today's topic is what is 10 most important key responsibilities of IT support professional. Hey guys, I am Sway Mai from IT Professional YouTube channel. I create daily awesome video for IT professional. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for latest update. Now we discuss about today's topic. 10 most important key responsibilities of IT support professional. 1. Troubleshooting and resolving hardware and software issues. 2. Installing and configuring computer systems. 3. Network setup and maintenance. 4. Managing and maintaining IT infrastructure. 5. Providing technical support to users. 6. Managing backups and disaster recovery. 7. Managing and maintaining servers. 8. Cloud computing and virtualization. 9. Security best practices and threat management. 10. Keeping up to date with new technologies and industry developments.